got the car.
This isn't your car. You can't take it.
Yeah, madam. He can go do पेशाब in illegal manner and some public property. वो कुछ भी कर सकता है, तो मैं उसकी गाड़ी भी ले सकता हूँ. Everything is legal.
What bullshit?
Yeah, madam. आप इतना डर रहे हो? अरे आपको तो पसीना आ रहा है. आप बैंक तो लूट पाएंगी ना? मुझे अमेरिका लेके जाएंगी ना?
You want to go to America?
Yes, madam.
Okay. You get me my feet.
Okay.
We'll go tomorrow to get married.
Okay.
You get your visa. We'll go to the US. You get your green card. But first thing is first, show me the money.
मैडम, वैसे ख्याल बुरा नहीं है आपसे शादी करने का. ओ मैडम, बैग आ गया. Are you ready, America captain?
Are you ready, Spider-Man?
No, madam. Actually, मेरी तो फट रही है, मैडम.
You want to go to America?
Yes, madam.
Then let's go rob this bank.
ठीक है, मैडम. Yes, मैडम. मैम थोड़ी तो इज्जत करो. अब मैं आपका पति होने वाला हूँ कल.
What?
हाँ मैडम. मैडम कस्टमर सर्विस.
Drive. They're gonna catch us. Let's go.
Yes, madam. Yes.
For God's sake. I didn't realize you're such a bloody fool. Tell me something. You want to go to the US? What are you gonna do there?
Madam, I'm a businessman, entrepreneur. America needs me. America needs businessmen like me.
Mr. Manoj Srivastav?
Yes, madam.
You think America needs you?
Yes, ma'am.
So what are you gonna do? You're gonna go and press security alarms in banks?
Madam, only by mistake one time. Instead of light button, I press alarm button. And you know what? अब लड़की हो ना, आपकी इज्जत कर रहा हूँ. आप मेहमान हो यहाँ पे हमारे. और आप हमारे पे ही चढ़ रहे हो. अरे I'm giving you fees. I want green card. I want passport. You give me these visa, no?
You know what I want? 60%.
60%? Arey, we talk about 50-50. Now why 60%?
That was before I had a gun pointed at my head because of you.
Arey, I saved your life. You should be thankful to me. No thanks, no sorry. In India, everybody says thank you for saving life.
Listen, stop wasting my time. You have 10 lakhs rupees here. You give me 6 lakhs or I leave.
No, madam. हम तो ऐसे बोले कि नहीं हो सकता है कुछ लेन देन हो सकता है 60%. Okay, I give you. You give me visa. No?
That's more like my Indian husband. No, don't feel shy. You're my 26th husband.
26.
My 17th was my favorite, but you're up there.
Can you listen voice, madam?
Go.
मैडम, आप कुछ बोलती हैं या नहीं?
I want machine the money.
Money?
There's no.
What money?
Fuck off. There's no money.
No money.
I've heard everything. I will go to the police and will make one of you arrested.
Madam.
You still want to come to America, yes?
Yes, madam. But
Why would we go to USA? Just come to Russia. There are so many pretty girls.
No. We have a deal. The deal's done.
India, Russia, all friends. I can take only 50%.
what? You will take me to Russia 50%?
Listen, boy. We would miss America in the decay if we go back to Russia. No sorry, no thanks.
No, fuck off. Don't try to get involved. We have a deal.
Ma'am, but burgers, vodka.
Listen, do you want to go to America?
Yes, madam. America. Russian, madam.
All right.
Even I have gun. I will show you now.
Seriously, with this gun? My grandfather sold this gun 20 years back.
But why are you pointing at me? You both. You point to her. She point to me.
Because you have the money.
Okay. I will give you the gun. I will give you the bag. You know, sometime you have to clear your own mess. Okay, don't shoot. I'll keep the gun here. See, my hands are free. The bag is here. I'll keep it on the seat and I'll leave. Okay, Miss America. Okay, Miss. Namaste, Miss Russia. Bye-bye.
आ गई अमेरिकन एम्बेसी और वो रहा अपना नया बकरा। इस कैमरे में देखो इसकी फोटो, हाँ वही है। He's from Iraq. How sweet. और अब गिनते हैं हम अपनी मेहनत का फल।